Hey, I'm Dallas with Lower Gear. We're well known for all of our kayak and kayak fishing accessory sales, new, used, and rentals. But we also do a lot of repairs and installation work. It looks like it's got full blown. You could do a mechanic shop out of here, and we do a lot of that. But just some of the tools of the trade for the kayaking, we have. Just for if you have a big dent in your plastic kayak, these are some of the tools we use for that. If you have a crack in a plastic one, we use plastic welders. There's two different styles of that, plus all the different plastic materials in different colors, so we can help out with that. We do a lot of keel guard installations with this just to keep you from scratching the bottom of it so much. These are used in fiberglass, Kevlar, and some of the composite type kayaks, different types of resin and glues for inflatables. We do hole repairs in inflatables, seam rips, and things of that nature as well. In the shop right now, we have 3 or 4 boats that we're working on. Here's 2 extremes. Over here, we have, it's probably a 30-year-old Kevlar canoe. Weighs about 30 pounds. That ended up with some bad cracks in it. So you can see we've reinforced it with cloth and the Kevlar materials to fix that one. And on the other hand, over here, we are working on, this one will end up probably 300 pounds, fishing kayak. We're doing all the wiring and setups for a dual graph setup in the front, 2 different types of switch controls to operate the lights and other electronics. This particular setup is going to have at least 4 different batteries in it to accommodate all the electronics and the motor and power pole. So this is quite the project. This one we're working on here is a new Hobie Compass Duo, and this was ordered by a husband and wife customer. They wanted to be able to have two bimini tops on, and so we had to custom make something for the front one. To get there, first step that we did was took out the standard round hatch that's in front of the back seat operator and installed the horizontal hatch. And then we took the round hatch that was there and cut out a hole here to put it in. That allowed us to put the battery in for the gentleman's fish finder, but also allowed us access to add this mast receptor for the second bimini, because it don't come standard this way. But regardless of what it is, we do all kinds of customizations, installations, repairs. It doesn't matter what make or model, we'll work on them. And if we can ever help you out, just give us a call. We'll set a time to drop off whatever you need worked on and go from there.